finance, a la shmup. What is sales tax and what are progressive and regressive taxes? Thumb tax, horse tax, sales tax. All right, well, sales tax is yet another way the government collects money to spend on things they need to, govern us. So if you buy an Acme Chihuahua launcher in California, well, you pay 8% sales tax on it, meaning you thought you were only spending $100, and it turns out that the launcher, well, really cost you $108, and then you could tack on whatever damage the Chihuahua does. All right, well, each state has different sales tax charges. Some states are high, some states are low, but sales tax is considered regressive, which sounds like a bad word, and it, well, kind of is intended to be bad sounding. Why? Well, because everyone pays the same tax rate, whether they're a hardworking plumbing supply parts vendor making $200,000 a year, or a lazy bridge toll booth taker who loves keeping their Facebook pages up to date. They pay the same rate. When either one of them buys a 2-in-1 laminating toaster oven, they pay the same sales tax rate on that oven, and that is called regressive. The thought process that being, 8% taxes on $200,000 in earnings a year is a whole lot easier to pay than 8% tax for someone earning only $20,000 a year. And yes, politicians want to punish the hardworking, saddle them with more burdens so that the less financially beefy can, keep their Facebook pages very up to date. Well, the opposite of regressive is the positive-sounding progressive tax system, where the hardworking plumbing supply parts dude pays meaningfully more in tax and tax rate than the toll booth cash taker with the really up-to-date Facebook pages. Of course, that cash taker didn't study in school, didn't work hard early or later in life, and now lives in a cockroach-infested apartment while the plumbing supply vendor is about to purchase his second home. So maybe there is something after all to that education thing, like kids study in school or you end up like that guy. All right, well, is progressive tax good and regressive tax bad? Maybe, maybe not. Who knows? Not for Shmup to say. All we know is that progressive and regressive taxation both live in American society, and they're the 1-2 punch that the friendly IRS man uses to, knock you out.